You are now watching part 2 of the video. Once the download has completed, the application manager will let you know that this file is not commonly downloaded and could harm your computer. Once again, you may rest assured that this file has no viruses. Minimize the browser and double-click this icon. Once selected, you will have the option to run or cancel. Select Run. Allow the computer and the application to make changes. Select Yes. And here we are at the Spelling Bee Coaching application setup wizard. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license agreement. Make sure you have the system requirements. And select the location for the files that will be downloaded. It is best to leave as is. If you would like a desktop icon, select this. And we are ready for install. Once installation has finished, you will receive this message. Select Next, and if you'd like, you may launch the application. Select Finish.
Welcome to Spelling Bee CD Help, Spelling Bee Coaching CD,
And here you are. Enjoy.
Spelling Bee Coaching CD.